mark.
I didn't see that fence there.
I can't even steal whenever I'm
You
hitting.
should do it again. Okay, let's go again. Why do we keep doing this? This is just funny. Okay, let's do this.
Hey, Brady, push.
Alright, give him a good push. Oh snap. Nice. Go. Priming it up here.
Let's do it.
Oh, oh snap! Oh, holy crap! Oh, oh man.
I'm good.
Okay. Whoa.
Snap.
Did I drift that one?
I think so.
Uh,
Cause the wheelchair.
just don't want to.
Oh, fuck. Give me that back. Okay, so that's...
What did that go to?
Never mind. That
Over
goes-
here. No? Huh. Oh well.
Let's say we keep it just in case.
Yeah. All right. Well, let's try it again, maybe, or something else.